Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about the topic that is factors influencing rate of a reaction. As earlier we have studied about chemical kinetics and about rate of a reaction. What rate of a reaction is? It is simply change in concentration of reactant or product per unit time. So, now let's talk about some factors which influence this rate of a reaction. There are several factors which influence or affect rate of reaction. Some factors are given here like is concentration, temperature, presence of catalyst and presence of light. There are some more factors but we are discussing these four. So let's start. The very first factor, that is concentration. So greater the concentration of reactants, faster is the rate of a reaction. What I mean to say, that suppose there is a reaction where R is converting into P, product. So when we will increase the concentration of R, the rate of reaction will increase. That indicate that rate of reaction is directly proportional to concentration of reactant. Now come to the second factor, that is temperature. The rate of reaction increases with increase in temperature. That means temperature is also directly proportional to rate of a reaction. But pay attention here, that is for most of reactions, rate of reaction become almost double with 10-degree rise in temperature. That if you will increase the temperature of a reaction to 10 degree, then the reaction rate will be doubled. Now let's come to the third factor, that is presence of catalyst. A catalyst generally increases the rate of reaction without itself undergoing any permanent chemical change. So, catalyst also increases the rate of a reaction. This increase is done by lowering the activation energy. You will understood this later. Now come to the next point, that is presence of light. So students, some reaction occur rapidly in the presence of light. You can see here the two examples. In both the example, we are taking the formation of hydrochloric acid. Now let us see this here. Suppose H2 react with Cl2 to form HCl. This is the very first example. This take place in dark, that is in absence of light. So the rate of formation of hydrochloric acid in dark is very slow. And now let's talk about the second reaction. Here also H2 react with Cl2, but this reaction take place in the presence of light. This H nu symbolizes light. Here also formation of hydrochloric acid take place, but for this reaction the rate of reaction will be very fast. So this is all about the factors which influence rate of a reaction. The factors that are such as concentration, temperature, presence of catalyst and presence of light. Now as you are seeing here presence of catalyst, we will discuss this in detail. Now let's turn to next page. Effect of catalyst on rate of a reaction. We have to study this in detail because sometimes questions are asked from this to write short note, etc. So let's start. A catalyst is a substance which increase the rate of reaction without itself undergoing any permanent chemical change. As earlier also we have studied that catalyst generally increases the rate of a reaction. Now come to the second point. Catalysts provide an alternate pathway by reducing the activation energy between the reactant and product and hence lowering the potential energy barrier. You can see this graph here. This graph represents about the lowering of activation energy. What I mean to say, let us draw the graph again. Suppose this is a graph here. On y-axis this is potential energy, and here this is the path of the reaction or the reaction coordinate. Okay, that is progress of reaction. Now what we see, suppose here is the reactant and here is the product. So this barrier, this is called as the activation energy. So every reactant, or whatever the reaction is, the reactant molecule should have to cross this barrier, okay, to form in product. So if we apply a catalyst in this reaction, then what happens? It provide an alternate pathway. You are seeing this. Let me draw this with another color. Okay, so you are seeing this path. Here this activation energy, which I called activation energy, or this is lowered. Okay, so this is the effect of catalyst. Catalyst provide an alternate pathway. This was, the blue one was the general pathway, but after applying catalyst this became the alternate pathway. So by this way the catalyst affect the rate of a reaction. Now come to the very third point, that is a catalyst does not change the equilibrium constant of a reaction, rather it help in attaining the equilibrium faster. Okay, so this is all about today's lecture, that is effect of catalyst on rate of a reaction and the factors which influence the rate of a reaction. Thank you.